Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter, and AGORACOM TV resource edition being broadcast right here every day on Globe Investor. This is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the resources and metals small cap space at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great resource investments. Monday, March the 22nd, I've got three great press releases for you. Let's start you off first with Stornoway Diamond, trades on the big board TSX under SWY. They announced that they've updated their preliminary assessment. Pre-tax net present value has increased by 1,400% to $885 million. This is on their Renard Diamond project in north central Quebec. Highlights of the study: first of all, base case estimates, net present value $885 million, internal rate of return 24.8%. That's using September 2009 diamond valuation of $170 US per carat and a US dollar exchange of a Canadian dollar 11. Now, we know that that's changed because the Canadian dollar and US dollar are almost at par, so you're going to have to readjust those numbers a little bit, but that could also be temporary. Nonetheless, good information to have. Conceptual mine life, 25 years. Total diamond production, 30 million carats. Pre-production capital cost, including contingencies, just over $500 million. Now, that's a big number there, and you've got to figure with a company trading at 50 cents, they're not going to be doing a whole lot of that at equity. Nonetheless, you're going to have to find out how they're going to get that done, most likely with some kind of debt instrument, but make sure that that instrument doesn't come loaded with any convertible equity instruments at the same time, because that could significantly affect valuation based on dilution. The company says they're one of Canada's leading diamond exploration and development companies, involved in the discovery of over 200 kimberlites in 7 Canadian diamond districts. Again, closed on Friday at 50 cents. Good news for Stornoway. Next up, Mansfield Minerals Venture Exchange MDR. They're announcing positive pre-feasibility results, specifically 161,000 ounces of average annual production in years 1 to 5 at a cash cost of $373 per ounce. Of course, talking about gold, this is a 43-101 compliant pre-feasibility study on their 100% owned Lindero gold project in Argentina. The study contemplates conventional open pit mining and heap leach gold recovery. The company closed on Friday at $1.75. 52-week high, $1.75. So the market's really caught on to the story. 52-week low, 26.5 cents. So congratulations to the company and its shareholders. And finally, AGORACOM client Arianne Resources, Venture Exchange DAN. They announced that they've increased resources at their Lac Paul phosphate titanium deposit. This is an updated resource estimate on the deposit, which is located in Saguenay, Quebec. It follows the recently completed definition drilling campaign on the Paul zone and only the Paul zone. The company goes on to state that the other mineralized zones of the property were not targeted in this drilling campaign. The Paul zone total resource is now being increased to 136.59 million tons from the previous 99.3 million tons. So you talk about a 37% increase. More importantly, according to the company, 78 million tons have now been upgraded to indicated resources. They've given us they've given us a description of the resource estimate and cutoffs. I'll give you the Paul zone. They've also got the Manuan zone, but the Paul zone on the inferred side, 58.25 million tons at 6.97% phosphate and 8% titanium. Indicated 78.34 million tons at 7.24% phosphate and 7.84% titanium. Go take a look at the Manuan numbers as well. The company is calling this a world-class phosphorus and titanium deposit out of Lac Paul at Quebec. It constitutes the leading project of the company and amongst the biggest of this type in the country. Closed on Friday, 16.5 cents. 52-week low, 2.5 cents. Great return for a lot of shareholders there. 52-week high, 21.5 cents. So trading close to its higher end. That's a wrap. As always, look for more great small cap companies. And you're watching this on Globe Investor. I look below me or to my left, where we've got a lot of great press releases, interviews, webcasts, and everything you need to find your next great resource investment. Also, get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM, where you can take a look at this video, look at the best press release today, and go into the marketplace, where we've got dozens of great companies in the AGORACOM 100 with great descriptions, so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio. That's a wrap. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.